Hey guys, this is Cheryl coming to you from an island in Alaska, and I love living here. This is my rainforest behind me, so you can see what I have right out my deck where I live. So I really enjoy all the peace and quiet, and I'm really thankful for being here. And I just wanted to get on real quick and let you know that we are going to have a webinar tonight, and we at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want to get on the webinar, and this is what you will learn. You will learn what it consists of, how to join, and what we do, what tasks we do to get paid. Because I'm an entrepreneur and I work from home. And while we're waiting for people to get on, please write where you're coming from. Let me know in the comments below. I'm in Alaska, and this is my rainforest. And there's a mountain back there, but it doesn't show up so well. I might flip the camera around. I don't know if I can do that. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a peek of the rainforest that I've got here behind me. So peaceful and quiet in the morning. It's just wonderful. Outside the birds I keep carrying on, which is adorable. So just wanted to chat a few minutes, and make sure you write a comment in the bottom so I can see what you're coming from and how you're doing. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Appreciate you getting on. Absolutely. I just wanted to chat a few minutes and give you a view of where I live. So I look forward to seeing where you guys live. So type it in the comments, and just wanted to give you a good look at the forest here. And you know, it's always about consistency. I know I started a new exercise program. Hey, glad you're on. I started this new exercise program, and to be honest, if I wasn't consistent, I wouldn't get any results. And I was consistent, and so like my stats went down, and I was really happy about that. I was really thankful, because being consistent in whatever you do does bring results, and that's really important. So those are new, they're getting on. Hi from Alaska. You can hear my crazy birds singing away. It's so fun out here on my deck. I live right up in the rainforest, so I'm really blessed and appreciate it. And we are having a webinar tonight, so I wanted to invite you guys to it at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You can see the link in the description, I believe, so you definitely want to get on if you want to learn what I do at home. And I just appreciate being able to share this with you, and thanks for being on. You will be able to learn while you earn. That's what we have. You can learn while you earn, so that's really cool. Now this is a unique business model, which is pretty special. You can earn, you know, by doing tasks, and we tell you about all of that at the webinar. You learn every detail. You know exactly what we have going on. In fact, the first week I earned $350 doing tasks. So it's powerful new business model that works, and I'm happy to share that with you. We do have a webinar every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm hoping you can join tonight and join us. You want to go, if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to go to my description and add me as your friend, and then put in the message when you message me, webinar. That's all you have to put in there, and I can connect you to the link to get you in the webinar for Wednesday night. And we have those every Wednesday. They are packed. I'm telling you what, it's just really incredible. We're just growing by leaps and bounds because people are earning, and that's really key. Money does talk. So I'm just inviting you. I hope you can attend, and thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.